Great day, grade 4 learners. Welcome to our English for grade 4 class. Today, our lesson is about identifying different meanings of content-specific words such as connotation and denotation. We are already in quarter 1, week 6. Words are very powerful. You can use a simple one, but it can also have a deeper meaning. English words have literal or regular meanings, but sometimes they can also be used to express thoughts far from what you can imagine. It is important to learn about how to differentiate these two so that you will be able to communicate and express yourself well. Now, let's take a look at the sentences that follow. The first sentence is, dove is a bird. But in letter B, you can see that dove also symbolizes peace, love, or as a messenger. The second sentence says, a pen is an instrument for writing or drawing. But in letter B, pen also symbolizes journalism. In the third sentence under letter A, a snake is a reptile. But in letter B, it can also mean snake that symbolizes being a traitor. So in letter A, it tells us about the regular meaning or the literal meaning of the underlined words. On the other hand, the column B tells what the underlined words symbolize. Therefore, some words have different meanings. They differ in the content. And now we are going to discuss about it, the connotation and denotation. The first one is connotation. It is an idea or quality that a word makes in addition to its meaning. It can be positive or negative. It can be a little confusing, but connotation is a different meaning of a word. It does not actually refer to the literal meaning of words. Here are some examples. Number 1, she is a snake. Snake here symbolizes being a traitor. The snake here does not refer to a snake animal, but symbolizes someone who is a traitor, who betrays you. The second sentence is, pen is mightier than the sword. Pen here symbolizes journalism. The word pen here does not refer to the literal pen, but it is referring to a form of writing which is journalism when you're writing a news. For the third sentence, or third example, I wish each one of us could hold a dove in our hearts. The word dove here symbolizes peace. The word dove does not refer to a literal dove that flies, but it actually refers to peace. That is all about connotation. Now let's go to denotation. It is the specific, exact, and concrete meaning of a word. This is the meaning you will find in a dictionary, as in literal meaning. Here are some examples. Number 1, I could still remember the flocks of doves flying in the sky. Now the word dove here refers to the literal dove, to the bird dove. That's denotation. For the second example, I love to write using a pen in my notebook. The word pen here refers to the literal pen, as in actually a pen. That is denotation. For the third example, I saw a dead snake on the road. When you use the word snake here, it really refers to the literal snake, as in an animal snake. That is all about denotation again, literal meaning of words. Now let's have an activity. Direction. Identify the different meanings of content-specific words, connotation and denotation. Write C if the sentence expresses connotation, and D if the sentence expresses denotation. Number 1, he is a chicken. Is it denotation or connotation? Number 2, my mother sells dressed chicken. Is a chicken here denotation or connotation? Number 3, soldiers have a tiger look aura. Number 4, dogs are considered man's best friend. And number 5, my aunt has a new house. You may want to pause this video for you to be able to answer. It's time to check your answers. Number 1, he is a chicken. The word chicken here is a connotation. It refers to someone who is inferior. Number 2, my mother sells dressed chicken. The word chicken here is a denotation. It refers to the literal chicken. Number 3, soldiers have a tiger look aura. The word tiger here is a connotation. It does not refer to the animal, which is a tiger, but it refers to someone who is fearless, who is strong. Number 4, dogs are considered man's best friend. This is a denotation because the word dog here refers to a literal dog as a man's best friend. And for number 5, my aunt has a new house. The word house here is a denotation because the word refers to a literal house. I know you did great in this lesson. You are now ready to answer your English module. Congratulations!